Hi, so today I'm going to London, and basically me and Tabitha's plan is to go on the cable cars, but it is incredibly windy. But I mean, hopefully it should be fine because it shouldn't be as windy in London because it's inland. I'm going to leave early because I want to get a rail card because I know I'm going to be going to London a few times, so I think it'd be a good idea for me to purchase a rail card. We waited 20 minutes for a crepe, no kidding. So that's mine and the salad one. And this better be really nice. So I'm not gonna lie, that we did some shopping. Wow, we looked, it literally got so busy. I told you about the crepes. I keep calling them crepes. And now we're basically walking to the cable cars. It is a bit windy, but like we've seen them. And we're gonna go by the O2 and that, aren't we, to have like photos and that. But it is literally freezing up. The tubes are a bit weird. Like the original stops we were going to go to, we couldn't go to. Oh my gosh, I haven't got waterproofing scar on. And so we have to come somewhere else. So it's like a 10-minute walk, but I can see them. And don't get me wrong, I'm excited, but I'm kind of scared. Because like, oh my goodness, so cool. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't even see them. Bloody heck, oh my god. That's what we're walking backwards now. Can you see them in the background? You kind of can. But it's so cold, we're so windswept. It is quite windy, but hopefully, oh my gosh, I'm literally going to go on a leg in a minute, it's so cold. But we're excited, the O2's over there. I'm nervous, they're in the background and it's freezing.
Do you want a souvenir? You got souvenirs?
They are moving quite a lot. Look at that one in the distance, it's going like that. They are moving, they are swaying. We're going to go get on them. You have to go right down the other side. You're just getting the next available empty one. Yeah.
We
have one to ourselves and it's going to be so windy and literally Tav's never been in the cable car and like I'm trying to get my camera out, my big one, and like I'm just like, oh my gosh, and the man was like
ready?
oh my gosh, look at it, it's going to go up so high and we're just like, oh my gosh, because we're going,
oh dear.
You can feel the wind, but it's going over the Thames, guys. Now we're going to come because look at this amazing view of London. Like, look at it, guys. I mean, it's so worth it. Just don't go in the winter when it's incredibly windy. amazing. I recommend 1000% you to go on them if you're in the area or whatever. We've got these things which are not there. I really recommend you come in to go on them. Not gonna lie, they were windy, like, and that's me saying that because I've been on one in Switzerland, but they were going like over the Thames. And we're just gonna have a little walk about, but it's freezing, so we probably won't walk about for too long. Okay, we're gonna go see what this place is. Don't know what it is. Really recommend it. It was so good, but it was quite bumpy. So windy. I don't know if you can hear it very well. You probably can't. But I'm literally so tired. My legs, I had to stand up for like 40 minutes on the train journey, which is not great. But I had a really lovely day, and the cable cars are really funny. Like, they're the sort of things I'm not going to forget. And yeah, I had a really lovely time today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as well. And I shall see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.